crazy. Day one, back on the water, doing North Palm to Fort Pierce today. Should be about 40 to 45 miles, something like that, which isn't too bad. There are a lot of bridges in between here and there, but not anywhere near Fort Lauderdale to here. Oh man, it's a beautiful morning. We're having a good old time out here on the water. Oh my gosh, what a journey, man. All the way down to Key West. We had a great time in Key West, in Marathon, Miami, all of the places. It's been absolutely, wouldn't replace it for anything. But yeah, back on the water, making some headway, and be home in about a week, which is kind of exciting. Actually going to be able to sleep in a bed once in a while and get some stuff done. It's so hard to get things done when you're on the water, especially when you're somewhere you don't know. But the sun's coming up. Should make some serious headway today. Might even make it past Fort Pierce, who knows. I'm gonna try to be somewhere in the realm of 12 hours a day for the next 6-7 days, so I can crush these miles. We will see. I gotta call this bridge. Stopped in Fort Pierce last night. Really wanted to make it to Vero Beach, but there was a storm coming in, so I decided to hunker down and wait it out instead of pushing on, which was a good decision because probably had like 40 knot gusts. And right now, got up at like, I don't know, like 5 o'clock this morning. Picked up anchor at like 5:45, and today's goal is to make it to either Cocoa or Titusville. We are mile marker 111. Look at that. I've been seeing synchronicities all over the place. Coast Guard's calling. But absolutely beautiful out here. Can't wait to get home though. Pretty excited. Pretty excited to get some boat work done. Oh man, she could use some work. She could use some upgrades for sure. Yep, almost to Cocoa. Cocoa or Titusville tonight. Somewhere in that vicinity, somewhere on Cape Canaveral. And then Daytona tomorrow. That is the goal. Back in Cocoa Beach, or Cocoa, village of Cocoa. That's where I'm going to be anchoring for the night, right in front of this bridge over here. And probably going to go into town. Been on the boat for 2 straight days. We're going to take the dinghy into town, maybe grab some food, and then prepare for tomorrow. Tomorrow we are jumping to Daytona. Should be pretty much same distance as today, 60 miles. And then today we are officially 1/3 of the way home from West Palm. All anchored. ones that come go into town for a little bit, grab some food. I love this place. Super easy to access. There's like a free dock at this little park right on the point underneath the bridge. Makes it really easy to access. Excited to be back here. That's the biggest beer I've ever seen. Only at German places.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the beer puppeteer. If you already say yeah. If you already say yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're ready, say yeah.
Yeah.
Put your hands together, make some noise on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your time. Take your time and drink das Bier. Oh yeah. It looks so easy. That's right.
Oh no!
You don't want to choke up on it? Oh, she got it! She got it! She got it! Oh, that's right, that's right. Let's make sure that she drinks it all. That's the thing, you gotta down it.
Oh, that was crazy! Saying goodbye to Coco. Probably for a while. Time to push on. About 6:30, and I'm gonna try to make it to Daytona today. There are supposed to be scattered thunderstorms throughout the day, so we are going to watch for those. But other than that, I think we have enough fuel, enough time, enough motivation to get there. And we're gonna be halfway from West Palm. That is going to be a big achievement for me. We are about 60 miles from where we're going. Maybe a little less if we choose a different anchorage. But yeah, should be there around 5:30, 6 o'clock tonight. That is the goal. There was supposed to be a SpaceX launch last night. I'm guessing it was scrubbed because we got hit with quite the storm last night. Honestly, I've had stronger winds on anchor, but last night was probably the craziest storm I've ever seen out here on the water. And it lasted too. It lasted like a good 2-3 hours. It was pretty wild. So hopefully, cross our fingers, we avoid that today. I'm about an hour and a half away from where I'm going tonight. And it's going right. Big old front moving in. That's alright. I'm in a little canal, so it's like, it's not that big a deal. Might get a little wind, but just gonna keep going. Right now it's 2 o'clock, and I should be to my anchorage by 3:30. I was supposed to be there earlier, but I kind of hit the tide a little wrong, or just at a non-opportune time, and so I slowed down a little bit. But yeah, still making great time today. We're gonna do about 45 miles today. I really wanted to do more, but there's a bridge in the town that I'm going to that is under maintenance, and the bridge only opens every 6 hours. 6 a.m., noon, 6 p.m., and midnight. So I have to wait for either the 6 p.m. opening and get through and anchor on the other side, which is probably what I'll do. Or I have to wake up early and just hit the 6 a.m. bridge opening, which I can also do that. It really doesn't matter. But because I don't typically leave earlier than that. The earliest I'll leave is like 5:45, 6 a.m. because the sun starts peeking through and starts coming up so you can actually see. But yeah, so that's the plan right now. We will hopefully from here make it to St. Augustine tomorrow. It's a big jump. I think it's 60 to 65 miles, but there's not a whole lot in the way as far as bridges or anything that's going to slow us down in between here and St. Augustine. So I just slowed down a lot more. This current is strong. But yeah, so in between here and St. Augustine, I think I could probably just make it happen in one day, especially if I'm getting out of here at 6 a.m. And then we are only, after that, 2 or 3 days from home. Hoping 2, but we will see. I was figuring roughly 50 miles a day, and from St. Augustine I think it's 100 miles, but I'll check when I anchor tonight and see how far it's really going to be. But yeah, dealing with storms and currents and a whole lot of crap today, but also a really beautiful day. So a lot of manatees, a lot of dolphins. It's Sunday, so a lot of people are out hanging out, which has been really cool. And shoot, I might have a really early day if I stop up here at 3:30 and just relax for the rest of the day. Blessings all around. Oh my gosh, I'm in Daytona right now, and I just witnessed the SpaceX launch that was supposed to launch last night. Yes, it is dark. That is awesome. I've never seen that before. What? Oh my God, that's so cool. Back in St. Augustine. I was looking at the map to see how much further I have, and I believe, depends, probably 2.5 days to Hilton Head. Depends on storms. I keep having to stop and wait out these storms, but I just had major deja vu right there. That was crazy. Yeah, we'll see. Maybe 2, maybe 3. But we're getting close. We're getting close. Oh, I cannot wait to be home. If I take the direct shot from here, it's 150 miles, so it doesn't make a difference. And with the storms being the way they are, we're not just going offshore. But we'll send grab a mooring for tonight here at the St. Augustine Municipal Marina, so I can get a shower, maybe stop somewhere and grab some food. The bridge doesn't open until tomorrow anyway. At least that's what the avionics says. It says it doesn't open after 6 p.m. And I would be late. It's like 5:58 right now. officially only a few hours away from Hilton Head. That's official. I am almost done with my first round trip. I honestly couldn't feel better right now. It was a massive success in my eyes and Chelsea's eyes for the YouTube. Honestly, guys, we could not be doing this without you, without your support, day in, day out, without all of our family and friends, you know, supporting us, believing in us. And I really just want to say thank you, like from the bottom of my heart. It really means the world to us. I'm super excited to be back here in South Carolina, and let's get her done. Got a lot of projects coming. Oh my gosh, a lot of projects. A lot of work to be done, but we're gonna get it done. Oh man, this is a very emotional experience. Final 3 hours until I make it home for our end of season wrap up. Couldn't have asked for a more humbling, better experience. It was not easy. It was humbling. But also very motivating. Very motivating. There she is. Harbor Town, right there. We're headed up there. I remember sitting in this spot, this very spot that I'm in right now, just finishing my first solo sail. And that was like 3 to 4 months ago. Now I'm finishing my first solo trip, like 500 miles from West Palm to Hilton Head. Wasn't even comprehensible back then. Just 3 to 4 months ago. I know y'all remember this bridge. It was over there.